Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Have you ever wondered what really happens after you close your eyes at night? You might think sleep is just a time for your body to shut down, but it's actually one of the busiest times for your internal systems. While you're peacefully dreaming, your body is wide awake, working hard to repair, restore, and prepare you for the day ahead. It's a fascinating hidden world that we're going to explore together. From the moment you start to doze off to the second you wake up, every organ, cell, and hormone has a specific job to do. So, get comfortable as we journey into the amazing world of deep sleep and uncover the secrets of what your body does while you are asleep. Let's start at the very beginning, the moment you start to fall asleep. It's not like flipping a switch. It's a gradual process. As you lie down and get cozy, your brain begins to slow down its activity. Those racing thoughts from the day start to fade, and a sense of calm takes over. This is your cue that the sleep journey is beginning. At the same time, a special hormone called melatonin starts to increase in your system. You can think of melatonin as your body's natural sleep signal. It tells every part of you that it's time to wind down. Your muscles, which might have been tight from a long day, begin to release their tension. You might feel a gentle twitch or a floating sensation that's your muscles letting go. Your heart rate also starts to slow down, beating more calmly and steadily. This initial phase is all about your body gently transitioning from the hustle and bustle of being awake to a state of profound rest and recovery. Once you've successfully drifted off, you enter the light sleep stage. This stage acts as the gateway to the deeper, more restorative parts of sleep. During this time, your body continues its gentle descent into rest. One of the first things that happens is your core body temperature begins to drop slightly. This small change helps conserve energy and signals to your brain that it's time for serious rest. Your breathing becomes more regular and steady, and your eye movements stop completely behind your closed eyelids. Think of this stage as your brain and body doing their final checks before diving into the most important work of the night. It's a quiet preparatory phase where everything settles down, allowing your system to get ready for the deep healing that's about to begin. You spend a good portion of your night in this light sleep stage, cycling in and out of it, but its role is crucial for setting the stage for what comes next. Now we arrive at the most magical part of the night, the deep sleep stage. This is where the real physical healing happens. If you think of your body as a high-performance machine, deep sleep is its essential maintenance and repair session. As you sink into this state, your brain waves become very slow and long. This signals the release of a powerful substance called human growth hormone. This hormone is the key player in repairing your body, flows through your bloodstream, and gets to work on rebuilding your muscles, especially if you've had an active day or worked out. It also helps heal and strengthen your bones and other tissues throughout your body. But that's not all. Your immune system also kicks into high gear during deep sleep, produces proteins that help you fight off infections and inflammation. So if you've ever been told to get plenty of rest when you're sick, this is why. Finally, your brain uses this time to perform a crucial cleaning process, washing away waste and toxins that have built up during the day. This keeps your mind clear and healthy. While your brain is busy cleaning house and your muscles are repairing, your heart and lungs are also in a special mode. During deep sleep, your cardiovascular system gets a much-needed break. Your heart isn't working as hard as it does when you're awake and active. Instead, it pumps calmly and efficiently, delivering oxygen-rich blood throughout your body with less effort. This leads to a natural drop in your blood pressure, which is incredibly beneficial for your long-term heart health. A lower, steadier blood pressure reduces the strain on your arteries and gives your entire circulatory system time to rest and recover. Your lungs are also working in a calm, rhythmic pattern. They deliver oxygen deeply and consistently, ensuring every cell in your body gets the fuel it needs for its nightly repair work. This entire process is incredibly energy efficient. By slowing everything down, your body saves a tremendous amount of energy, which it can then redirect towards healing, growth, and cellular repair. It's a beautifully coordinated effort that keeps your vital organs healthy and strong. After the deep physical restoration, your brain takes center stage in what's known as REM sleep, or rapid eye movement sleep. This is the mind's healing phase. Suddenly, your brain activity ramps up, becoming almost as active as when you're awake. This is the stage where most of your vivid dreams happen. While the exact purpose of dreaming is still a bit of a mystery, We know that REM sleep is absolutely critical for your mental and emotional well-being. During this stage, your brain works hard to process and consolidate memories from the day. It's like a mental filing system, sorting through your experiences, strengthening important new information, and helping you learn new skills. This is why a good night's sleep can make you feel so much sharper and more focused. REM sleep also plays a huge role in balancing your emotions. It helps process difficult feelings and reduces the emotional charge of stressful events, allowing you to wake up with a more balanced and positive perspective. It's your brain's way of hitting the reset button on your mood. Beyond the major organs, your sleep cycle is also a time for a complex dance of hormones that regulate your entire metabolism. One of the most important things that happens is the reduction of the stress hormone, cortisol. As you sleep, your cortisol levels naturally drop, giving your body a break from the fight-or-flight mode it might have been in during a busy day. This reduction in stress is vital for your overall health. At the same time, your body becomes more sensitive to insulin, the hormone that manages your blood sugar. This improved insulin function helps prevent sugar cravings and keeps your energy levels stable the next day. Sleep also balances the hormones that control your appetite. Ghrelin, the hormone that makes you feel hungry, decreases, while leptin, the hormone that makes you feel full, increases. This is why when you're sleep-deprived, you often feel hungrier and crave unhealthy foods. By getting enough quality sleep, you are naturally setting your body up for a day of balanced energy and healthier eating habits. And finally, after a long night of hard work, your body begins the gentle process of waking up. This isn't an abrupt jolt, but a gradual, carefully orchestrated transition back to alertness. About an hour or two before you normally wake up, your body starts preparing. Your core body temperature, which dropped during the night, begins to slowly rise. Your body also starts to gradually increase the production of hormones like cortisol to help you feel awake and energized. Think of it as your body's natural alarm clock. Your brainwaves shift from the slow patterns of deep sleep to faster, more active ones. When you finally open your eyes, your brain feels refreshed from its nightly cleaning, and your muscles feel restored from their repair session, feel renewed, recharged, and ready to take on whatever the day brings. This feeling of freshness is a direct result of the incredible silent work your body has been doing all night long. So as you can see, sleep is anything but a passive state. It's an active, dynamic, and absolutely essential process for your health and well-being. While you sleep, every part of your body works quietly healing, protecting, and preparing you for a new day. From your brain and heart to your muscles and hormones, each component has a vital role to play in this nightly miracle of restoration. Understanding this process can help us appreciate just how important a good night's sleep really is. It's not a luxury. It's a fundamental pillar of a healthy life. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey through the night. I hope you found it as fascinating as I do. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more deep dives into health and wellness. Sweet dreams, and see you in the next video.